Women's problems, our fights, are the same as trans people.
For many, this protest isn't just about a court ruling, it's about what comes next. Fear, frustration and solidarity are fueling the response. Recently, the UK's highest court, the Supreme Court, ruled the word sex in the Equality Act refers to biological sex, not gender identity.
Trans people are allies to cis women.
But legally, nothing has changed. The court clarified how the law should be interpreted. That clarification may now influence how public services apply it. For trans women like Tam, the reality on the ground often feels unchanged.
It's not going to make too much of a difference, but only because it's almost like it's like a formalization of the kind of attitude of society that's already been there. Like it's always been there, like this kind of anti-trans or anti whatever it is, people seeing individuals who they think are male and then trying to maybe pursue something a bit more feminine and seeing that as a perverse thing of nature, I guess.
Organisations like Trans Mutual Aid are now focused on what comes next, from local resistance to national advocacy.
We had faith in our institutions, and this week that faith has been shattered. And I think as far as what the next steps are, there's many different steps. People are writing to their MPs, people are gathering all across the country today to speak in protest, people are writing to the government, to the Supreme Court, people are standing up in their communities.
But the debate isn't just legal. Experts say rulings like this reinforce strict gender roles and they affect everyone.
There's going to be a lot of cisgendered women who are going to be affected by this as well, and cisgendered men. And not only does this accentuate transphobia, but it also accentuates and solidifies the gender binary. It solidifies the habits, dispositions, the culture of masculinity and femininity to a point which is problematic.
From GPs to changing rooms, access policies may tighten. Some argue this protects women. Others say it divides them and leaves trans people increasingly vulnerable.
I can't stop people feeling scared. As much as I would like to, I cannot yet tell trans people in this country that they are safe. But what I can tell them, from the very tip of Scotland to the bottom of Cornwall and all across these islands, they are not alone.
Caroline Conway reporting from Manchester.